Maringo,
My brother, I'm just there. This January is so boring,
telling you.
and my house is very hot.
January man, Japan pitch.
Jala brokenness.
But then the goodness, Juba steamer, you buy the car, what you got.
Which one is that? Which one is that?
Chinese power, Umikala.
Chinese power. How? We don't have in our.
Carbon is a Bulgarian.
We don't. Oh, the data is Bulgarian. But it is not even working, man.
It's working.
That's the problem. The only it's come like this, like this. It's come at night at 7, go at 7:20, come back at 7:30. So we didn't bother to take it. But if
man,
Chinese whatever is working, is it working in your house now?
Yes, that's why every holiday,
just leave it. So it's working now. Now I'm talking about now.
It's working.
Let me call my girlfriend.
Oh, you want to look at it?
Wait, I don't care.
Yo. And man, you know like died.
Hey, baby dear. How are you, baby? Hey. Baby, I'm telling you. Yes, life is good. 2020, I'm telling you, I'm not going to leave you. I told you. But how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not feeling well since yesterday. I don't know.
Now you are sick.
Yeah.
So you are going to the hospital. Okay. I thought you are not. You are okay. It's okay. Oh. I will see you in the evening. If I cannot see you now, okay. I will see you after the hospital. My girlfriend, she's telling me she's sick. That she's going to the hospital. I will see her in the evening.
Sorry, man.
It is okay. Now, Chuk will go around.
Man. Yeah, like in a car, man. I'm expecting my girlfriend is coming, so I can.
Oh, so your girlfriend is coming?
It's coming now.
My brother, me, I don't have hopes. Let me just go deal with
Hey, man, let me wait for her.
Yeah,
we can.
There's no problem. All the best. 2020 will pound with things. Hey.
Hey, sweetheart.
How are you?
Daddy.
You good?
I miss you. Welcome.
I miss you too.
Come. Daddy, boy. Okay. Bar. Hey, to meet you, man. I miss you.
I miss you too. I've been busy. You know, my mom kept on saying about that. So today, I miss you so
Hey,
much.
thank you. I'm for me, but I'm happy today. At least 2020 I begin with the happiness. You know?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Otherwise, feel like
Apple?
everything is doing good. You just
That's
smile.
what.
That's good. You put it in it, yeah.
That's nice.
Anyway, I forgot, man. So I did no man. I did how I feel. So you man, don't get any. Go jalo and young way to go.
Hey, that's right. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, be careful.
Okay. Hey, my bro, the mar piu. Girlfriend, you buy no one. Yin, tumba, ba piu jala soda. Yeah, panda. Please do it quick. Okay, do it quick. I miss you so much. You're looking beautiful. Yeah. Otherwise, what is happening?
I'm very painting, so there's no way.
No. When we jot that. That's the only solution, Jamia, you all the time.
Really?
I see.
You know that I put it forever.
There you go. You bang a pew? What is happening?
Whatever.
This is the lady that I was calling my nigga.
This is my girlfriend.
No. Nyana, you introduced in my family.
No. What? And we don't fight you everywhere I go. You can't be and why everywhere I go, you are to know everywhere I can. And what do you want to do? I can let you know I'm sick.
No,
leave me alone.
Pew, you're my girlfriend again.
You listen. From now on, everything is done. You go.
This one is my girlfriend.
It's not your girlfriend.
No, my friend. Listen. You know, you chukalo ito niya. Why do you karo? You know, rumgari chakalo wen.
My girlfriend, 1 or 3 months away.
Only 3 months. You see? The whatever we want you will. No, whatever we want. No, this is not fair. I thought we were brothers.
No, this is not your girlfriend. This is my girlfriend.
This is my girlfriend for 2 years, idiot. You remain there.
I don't want to lose you. If you think to lose me, I want to keep you.
And me, I will be there.
You are here every weekend, every Sunday.
You're dropping
You
another
see our
one
I'm
there.
telling you, if you want to work with us,
And our cameraman is here. Yeah, the Puzé, the Congolese guy.
so each and everyone, you are South Sudanese and you have talent. You can do comedy, you can act. Come work with us, no problem. What are you doing? Can you move it? So I was saying, this is our cameraman, this is our director, editor, and this one is our.
It's the queen.
What are you? Our
the
queen,
queen.
drama queen, the only lady. And Ringo here is the man of fuck.